Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to change language on Magic Tiles 3 application. So let's get straight into the video. First of all, tap open the Magic Tiles 3 application from your app drawer and sign into your account. Once you're logged in from the main home page, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now, tap on the gear button from your profile page at the top right. Scroll down from the settings menu and tap on language. Choose the language you would like to change to for your app, and once you are ready, tap on choose right next to the selected language. Soon after you do that, you will be able to translate your Magic Tiles 3 application to a different language of your preference. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.